Hi all, today in this video I am going to explain you how to install Java Eclipse on your local machine, that is your system, desktop or laptop. In the previous video we have already seen how to install JDK on your system, and now we are going to install Eclipse. Combination of both we are going to use further in our respective coding problems step by step. Okay. So first, for downloading the Eclipse, you need to go to your browser, type in download Eclipse. Okay. Once you type in, you can see the first link is from Eclipse.org downloads. Just click on the link. Here you can see install your favorite desktop IDE packages. Click on the download 64-bit. Since my system is 64-bit, so I'm going for it. Click on the download button. Once you click, you can see your download has been started. Once the download is complete, click on the up arrow button, click on shown in folder. Here you can see that installer package has been downloaded in your download folder. Now the next step is, for downloading the Eclipse, you need to double click on it. It will open the installer, Eclipse installer wizard for you. Once the wizard is open, you can see these three lines menu option. If there is an icon of exclamatory, then click on it. It will asking for update, means some more updates are available for this particular installer. Click on update. It will fetch all the updated informations. Once the update is complete, it will restart and open again by itself. Here now you can see there is no exclamatory sign icon on it. Now for installing Java, there are two options, that is IDE for Java developers and IDE for enterprise Java developer. Currently, for future perspective, I'm going to install enterprise Java developers, as this will help us in building the large Java projects using Spring, web services and all. So I'm going for Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. Click on it, click install. Once you click on the install, it will start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you get the message in green, and now click on launch. Once you launch the Eclipse IDE, it will open and it will create a default workspace for itself. Okay. Currently I am going with this default workspace. Earlier, as per the tutorial, we will create our own workspace. So to check whether our Eclipse has been installed properly or not, we are going to open this IDE. The classic way to check whether the Eclipse has been installed properly on our system or not. So for that, I'm just going to create one small Java project. I'm not explaining each and everything right now related to project, as our main purpose is to focus on to check whether Eclipse IDE has been installed properly or not. Java project, click. I am giving the project name as check Eclipse installation. Finish. Open perspective. Since we are using the Java project, not Java enterprise project, so the layout will change to as per the Java project. So I'm just going to create a simple class, check. I want main method, and I'll just simply type in only single line message. Hello. To run this, we need to right click anywhere on this part go to run as Java application. Here you can see the output as hello. Since we are able to get our response on console, which indicates that Java Eclipse IDE has been installed properly. If this video anyhow helped you, then please like and subscribe my page. Thank you.